Hello friends, welcome to Monkey Arts! Yay! And today we're going to draw Calico Jack. He's a cool pirate from Octonauts and grandfather of Quasi-Cat. And we're gonna need some markers. Then we're gonna use one piece of paper and also black marker for the drawing part. Okay guys, let's get started. So we're gonna draw this cool pirate starting from the middle of the paper. We're gonna draw his head somewhere here. And we're gonna start with his little nosy nose. Okay, then we're gonna add him some mustache. And they're gonna go something like this. And like this, and then we're gonna make some zigzags just like that, and on the other side too. And there we go, we have some mustache. Okay, now we're gonna put actually let's do another eye first. So he has one eye, this, and let's add a little circle in the middle like that and color around. Okay, and then on the other side we're gonna add that cool eye patch he has, so it's gonna go something like this. And now we're gonna add a little dot, let's say somewhere here. That's gonna be bottom of his head. Now we're gonna go all the way up, and here will be his pirate hat. Okay, and we're gonna add two more dots here and here for his head. Now we need to draw all the way around. And on this side, and now we need to go a little bit up. Cool. Now we're gonna draw that cool hat he has. He's a brave pirate, and he has hat like this. So we have semicircle at the top, and then we finish just like this, and on the other side as well. Boom, just like that. Okay, then we're gonna go and just make a little circle like this, because he has a cat symbol at the top, and we're gonna just make it like this, as simple as possible. And maybe we can add also some bones like this. Okay, because we're gonna color later this hat black. Okay, cool. Okay, now we're gonna add his ear. And actually one ear has a little memory from the war when he was fighting on the sea. Many of the battles he hurt his ear. Okay, and we're gonna go down and make two triangles just like that. And now we're gonna finish this cool eye patch. So we're gonna put some dot here and here, and we're gonna go all the way around and then down just like that. And one more line we're gonna make. Okay, and just connect this little eye patch with that line. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. Okay, and then we can color that eye patch as well, just like that. Arrgh. Pirates, Calico pirates. Okay, so now we're gonna go down and we're gonna make his cool outfits, pirates outfits. We're gonna make first one line just like that, and here another, but we're gonna make a little space here so we can add arm later. Actually, we can add arm now. Gonna make a shape like that. Then we're gonna draw one part of the arm, and then it goes down. One more. Now we're gonna add his hand, just like this. Okay, and let's add another one on this side. Just like that. Then we're gonna make this little thingy. And cool. Okay, now we're gonna draw the middle of his cool pirate outfit. So we're gonna draw his belt first, and gonna create like a square shape in the middle, and then belt all around, just like that. Then we're gonna go up and draw these parts. Okay, just like that. Cool. And now we're gonna draw this like torn apart pieces of clothes, just like that, because he was in a fight. He was brave pirate Calico, and now he also has a wooden leg. We're gonna draw his wooden leg on this side, and it goes like this. Then we have a little wooden circle around, and another parts of this leg, the bottom parts. That's my guy's is pirate's leg. Okay, and this one is whole. So this one is complete leg. So we're gonna draw his boot, just like that. And we're gonna go somewhere here, and we're gonna draw this part of the boot, just like that. And there we go, guys. We have completed our Calico Pirates Jack. And now we're gonna go and color it, and we need our monkey. Monkey, where is your magic color? Oh, here I come, here I come. There is my magic wand. And 3, 2, 1. And there we go, guys. We have completed our Calico Jack, the pirate. So we're gonna give him a little check mark and a little heart because we love our drawings. And see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.